Welcome back in the kitchen where Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite dish ideas. Today we want to do you a nice, lovely stir-fried chicken. Gonna serve it with some spicy rice or whatever you like to serve it with, guys. Just enjoy the recipe. Please subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for watching my show. We got a lot more ideas, tips, and recipe coming your way. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely. Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. We got some chicken which we're gonna do right here, guys, just to make you know that we got some chicken mini fillet stir fry. That's what we're going to do today, and we're gonna serve it with some spicy rice or whatever you like to serve it with. I must say, to be honest, I just popped a little bit of all-purpose season right here inside of the corner. I got some stir-fried pepper right here. First thing, I got some white onion which I already chopped up. I'm gonna pop that right on it. Medium-sized white onion. The amount of chicken which I'm been using is not a lot. It's just 365 grams of chicken mini fillet. All right. Right over here I have 3 cloves of garlic. I just cut up them a while ago. I'm gonna pop that straight inside of it. Get the flavor from the garlic. You might say, Chef Ricardo, I don't see how your chicken stay. I'm gonna show you what the chicken look like. I'm gonna pop a little pinch of mixed herb. And a little bit of coarse pepper. I got some smoked paprika which is gonna bring in a lot of flavor towards it. So 1 teaspoon is very good for that. Chicken season, and I believe that is good to go. So we're gonna put some chicken season on it now. Just a little pinch of chicken season. That's it. No more artificial season. And we got some spring onion, mixed peppers, everything. Just add them to it. Bring in that lovely flavor. We're gonna do a nice, lovely chicken mini fillet stir fry. One thing I forgot to put inside of it, it is some carrot. I need to get my carrot before I do anything. 1 medium-sized carrot. Cut into half, remove the skin. And simply give me some nice lovely dices like this, wedges like this. It's good to have a lot of veg with meat, guys. It gets to balance the diet. Olive oil, teaspoon. Let's get a big spoon and simply stir it up. As you can see exactly what I'm talking about inside of this bowl. Then this is the way all the chicken mini fillet stay. This is the way they cut them. Really nice. I get it at the butcher. Alright, so that is finished. What we're going to do now is fry it off. Lovely and nice. Nice one. So basically, fire on the pot already. So we're gonna do it. Pop just a little pinch of olive oil. Medium size heat. Then, as I said, it is chicken mini fillet stir fry. You can serve it with some spicy rice or whatever you like to serve it with. So basically what we're going to do is start to put in those lovely chicken with the veg. You can see it really seasoned and nice. Lovely. we're just going to stir fry this off for about 10 minutes. Then we're going to add a few more stuff to it. Yeah, guys? So enjoy as it goes along. I love the guys there. And since see how it looks, I didn't cover it because it's a stir-fried chicken. All I need to do is just break it into pieces like that. And you can know when your chicken is cooked. So basically what we're going to do, we're just going to simply finish it off with a little bit of sweet chili sauce. Just to bring a flavor to it. Not too much, just a tiny little touch. Turn on your stove a little bit more and leave it some more 5 minutes at least. Then we're going to shine it up, guys. As you can see, exactly what I'm going on in the kitchen. Now this is finished. We're gonna share it out, alright? So enjoy the recipe and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in to my show. Looking lovely and nice. Really nice. Enjoy it. Nice one. So as you can see, serve with some Mexican spicy rice. Really nice and beautiful, guys. Enjoy the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments below. Thank you so much for tuning in. As you can see, all this looking so fantastic, guys. It's amazing. We got a lot more ideas and recipes coming your way. Stay tuned.